Bye. My friend says that I don't really go to work. I just go and have ice cream parties with you guys. He said, you don't have a real job. He said, oh, today must be an important ice cream party. Okay. He basically, this is his way of saying I don't work. Oh, no, I'm having a spasm.
No.
It's okay.
Oh, Jesus, no, Carrie, please.
My back is okay.
We didn't get to do our stretching and everything. What happened? I thought we had time.
We have time after your appointment. I forgot about this lady. These lymphatic massages, we need those people that are lymphatic and come do a massage here. Because I have like 3 people in rotation for these lymphatic massages now. I'm like, oh my gosh. Oh, how did I get here? My back is spasming. I'm like, hold on.
Lymphatic is good.
Mm-hmm. I'll need some lymphatic massage because I'm going to do one more procedure.
No, Carrie.
Just one.
You don't need it.
I know, but I want it. I'm going to just go down there. One more.
What is the last one you're going to do?
I want to lipo. Whatever they can get out of my back and my stomach, whatever's left.
No, there's nothing left.
Don't get it.
Carrie.
I might even take some out of my legs. Whatever they can get.
You have nice legs. What are you talking about?
Just a little bit.
Don't do it, Carrie. Don't do it.
It's the last one. Hopefully I don't die.
Please don't do it.
And then I need some lymphatic massage to help me heal.
Yes, you will.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
We'll do the stretching another time, or if you have time today. Okay. All right, you got this. Sorry. Relax. That was perfect, Real. That was perfect. So they'll see what I'm talking like, oh, okay. We're gonna open wide. Perfect. And this time it's gonna be on the roof of the mouth and at the bottom of the mouth. So the bottom we're gonna start with first. And we just relax a little bit. Perfect. Actually, we did the bottom, didn't we? We did. I'm pretty sure we did. I'm pretty sure we didn't do the top. Two hands. I want to reiterate in the video, you do 2 hands because you take up most of the real estate on one side and the other side. So you don't have to keep doing one hand and having the person's mouth open the whole damn time. It's too much work. So just do 2 at the same time. And you get rid of everything. You're good to go. And around this time, you're gonna open up the widest that you can. So I showed them the roof of the mouth. Perfect. So I showed them this is an adventure. Okay, and then close down. Okay.